right, you said right, you make love waste the time. Yeah, look, you cruel time.
I live in a home with my family. A home stays clean and safe when everyone helps. Doing chores means helping out with the little jobs around the house. Chores make me feel responsible and proud. Every room has something important that I can do. Let's start in the kitchen. The kitchen is where we cook and eat food. After meals, I can help by putting dishes in the sink or the dishwasher. I can also wipe the table with a cloth to keep it clean. Sometimes I take out the trash when it's full. Helping in the kitchen keeps our food safe and our area clean and ready for the next meal. Next is the living room. The living room is where we spend the most time together. We love to spend time watching TV, reading, relaxing, and playing family games. I can help by picking up the games, books, and other items by putting them away. I can also help with folding blankets and putting the pillows back on the couch. I'm really good at dusting, and sometimes I can vacuum too. This is my bedroom. My bedroom is my own personal space. I keep it nice and clean by making my bed every morning. I put all my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Sometimes I help with folding too. Cleaning my bedroom helps me feel good, calm, and proud of my space. Another room I help out with is the bathroom. The bathroom is where we do all our hygiene. It's a place where we wash and get ready each day. I can help by washing the sink after brushing my teeth. I can put dirty towels in the laundry basket. I can also help by putting new toilet paper rolls in a basket next to the toilet. A clean bathroom keeps everyone healthy and clean. I like to help out in the laundry room too. My mom puts me in charge of matching socks for the whole family. She knows I'm great at matching. Helping with laundry means everyone has clean clothes to wear. Outside chores are important too. I can help by sweeping the porch. Sometimes I get to water the plants too. Working outside keeps our home looking nice and welcoming. When I help with chores, I'm part of a team. Everyone in the household shares jobs to make the house clean and a happy place. Doing chores helps me learn responsibility, independence, and teamwork. This gives me something to be proud of, and it makes my home a better place for everyone.
You said right, you said right, you said right, you said right, you make love waste the time. Yeah, look, you cruel time.